Welcome to my channel Khan Marketing. Today I am discussing about make money on YouTube without creating videos. Using this system you can make $10,000 per month and even more than this. I'm really excited to show you this system, and I have already created over 100 videos in my YouTube channel, and this one will be the most powerful video out of all videos, because I'm going to show you a hidden system that very few people would know, and those people who know this system are making some decent income on YouTube. But before starting out this video, if you do not know about my channel, then here I am showing you all the money making tips, digital marketing concepts, and how to become an entrepreneur and leave your 9-to-5 job. If you wanted to get similar types of videos, consider subscribing to my channel, and if you like this video, don't forget to click the like button. So let's start with the today's video. First of all, I will share you some of the related channel who are using this concept, and after that I will show you how you can create such types of videos. First, let's look at this channel, the rankings. This channel was nearly launched 1 year ago, and it has only 17 videos in its channel. And if you just look at the videos, top 15 most used GPU by Steam hardware survey, so it is top 10, top 15 and top 20 channel, and you can just show your audience about the graphical representation about anything that you want to. You can show the top 10 economies, top 10 cricket teams, top 10 football teams, and all those stuff using these types of graphical representation. I am not going to open these videos due to the copyright issues, but if you just go through those channels, then you can definitely search for the videos that these people are creating. Top 15 most subscribed YouTube channel from 2011 to 2018. Move to the about section. You will see that this channel has received over 47 million views, and only 17 videos total have been uploaded on this ranking channel. If I just take out my calculator here and do the math, then you would come to know that, let's suppose 45 million views, and if I take the CPM of $3 divided by 1000, so this channel has earned nearly $135,000 just by uploading 17 videos. That's the power of this system, and people are loving these types of videos. If you just look at the content here, about 3 minutes long video, over 1.5 million views, 96% likes. It is a ratio of like versus dislikes, so 96% overall getting liked by the people, 95%, 94%, and people are really loving these types of videos. Not only this channel, if I just take you other types of channels ranking the world, 46,000 subscribers and only 11 videos. This channel started 3 months ago, and last video was uploaded on 2 weeks ago and received 50,000 views. Top 15 countries by military spendings, top 10 valuable companies in the world, top 15 countries by economic freedom. These all stuff you will find here on these types of channels. One more example of this type of channel, random stats, 11,000 plus subscribers, started 5 months ago and only have 8 videos in this channel. This channel, when I couldn't pronounce this word, 158,000 subscribers, and it has more content than any other channel, but still 20 to 25 videos and 3 days uploaded. Last video, top 20 country, total trademark brand history. Another channel, lively data, 27,000 plus subscribers and only 11 videos has been uploaded. This channel started 3 months ago. India in pixels, 37,000 plus subscribers, top 20 batsmen, all India states ranked by poverty, and these types of videos that is getting really popular, and they definitely have the earning potential. It is up to you which types. I generally prefer you to use the top 10 and top 5 types of videos using this system, and you definitely have a chance to get $2 to $3 CPM per 1,000 views. The beauty of system is that you do not need to use the Creative Commons videos, you do not need to create your own content, you do not need to use the copyright material. All you need is to follow my guidelines, and I am going to show you a software and a system that you can use to produce such types of videos. Now you are thinking that how to create such types of videos. The software name is Flourish.studio. If you just visit Flourish.studio, just click on a sign up button and create your account with the Flourish.studio. There are different types of plans. However, I recommend you to start with the public plan. It is a free and you can create such types of videos easily. There are other advanced plans as well, personal, business and enterprise. They're costly plans. I don't recommend you to go for those plans unless and until you have enough money to invest in this system. And how to create videos on Flourish.studio? Just after creating your account with the Flourish.studio, I will just take you to the system. After creating your account with the Flourish.studio, you will see a screen like this. Just click on create new visualization. There are different types of charts available and you can use any chart you want, but I recommend you to use any one from these three. I generally prefer to work on images on bars. Just click on this chart. After clicking on this, now you are seeing that a template or a sample is now running, and you are seeing that this type of video you can create on this Flourish.studio software, and it will move with the passage of years like 93, 94, 95, and how it all depends on how much data you will input in this Flourish.studio, and based on that data, this software will produce the output video. This is the preview template, and if you click on the data, then this is the data that has been already inserted into the software, and based on this data, this video is running. If you just click on replay, then you will start seeing video from the scratch. However, if you just go through the data section, and if you wanted to create a new video based on your topic, like if you wanted to create videos top 10 countries who have won the World Cup from 1975 to 2019, you can go for the Cricket World Cup, you can go for the Football World Cup, you can go for the Hockey World Cup, and all the stuff that you can add in this data section. And from where you can add the data, you can gather the data, you can just search on Google and add that data in this section. Like you can change the template, like country name. If you just go through the preview section, then this is the country name: China, India, USA, and now you are looking at country name, and these are all countries. So here you will find the China, you will find the USA, and it will rank countries based on the selected criteria. You can change the title here, like cricket, and you can add the region here. Image URL, this is image URL. You are seeing the image here, like preview. This is the image, this is the country image: China, India, USA, and these are all the images that you will click on data and you can change the image here. And this is the data 1960 to, if you just go through the right side of the video, 2017. You can edit this data and you can take data from the YouTube. It definitely takes you some of the time, but once you put in all the data after searching on the Google, Wikipedia, and all the other places where you will find the historical data, and after taking that data and putting into the data section of this software, then you can create or click on the preview section and click on replay. The video or the replay or the software will then create a video for you, and after creating a video, if you are okay with the video, it is working fine now, then you can just record the video using different softwares. I am currently using Camtasia. However, if you have other softwares like Filmora, Screencast-O-Matic, and there are tons of other softwares out there, and you can use any software and you can record this video. Just click on replay and you will record your on your like Camtasia software, and Camtasia software will record this video. And once you are done with the video, then you can render this video, and after getting the video in the output form, you can upload that video into your YouTube channel. That's how you can create video. Definitely it will take some time after adding these types of things in your software, but you know, if you are just creating 3 to 5 minute videos, but keep remember that 3 to 4 minute videos will be good enough for the software, and for creating 3 to 5 minute videos you have to work for nearly 1 hour. That's how you can gather data on Google and from other places, and after gathering data you can just put in that data into the software, and you will just click on the preview and replay section, and the software will show you the video here. After that, you can even click on this section and you can adjust different things from this section, like between bars. You can just, as you're seeing that there is a space between the bars, you can control the space from here. You can adjust the margins from here, like just click, these are the margins. You can even adjust the margins from this section, and right and left. So that's how you can adjust the margins, numbers. So you can totally control this sheet from this section here. This is a great software for creating YouTube videos, and if you have a problem in creating videos and you do not want to show your face or record your voice, this is the software for you. And it is currently a new idea. Very few people know this concept, and I highly recommend you to use this system. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to click the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You will get more similar types of videos in the future, and I will provide you sheer value in the future. That's all for today. Thank you.